we have an opening for a service company based in Austin, a young CEO who has a bright future ahead of him. I had a conversation with him earlier, and he's a sharp dude. The base salary is going to be between $1,000 to $2,000 a month. That will be between you and the hiring manager. But we are thrilled and excited to have this opportunity, and we're probably going to have a sales opportunity. Maybe come quickly why these guys should be thrilled, excited, and ultimately happy to be part of your team if you select them.
Super excited to be here and hiring for this role now. We've experienced a lot of growth in the past six to 12 months here, and looking for someone who really wants to hit the ground running with our customer success, help us grow some more revenue from our current customers, and also potentially, pick up some more opportunities as they arise, maybe on the sales side or hiring side. But we're a very lean team and looking for someone who wants to come in and roll up their sleeves and put in some good work.
And get dirty, no pun intended. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you for giving everybody in our marketplace an opportunity. Secondly, I'd like to say that any candidate seeing this, if you didn't do your video, perfect time to do your video. If you did your video and it was approved, apply this opportunity. Vivian and Danny Agudelo are going to book the calendar right away, and we're gonna do our best to get you guys hired. You better do your best to perform and do a good job so that we get some more sales opportunities. Thank you, man. Take care.